Hello everybody, Molly Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys. This unboxing is from JH Wings. We have 3 brand new NG models, ultimate unboxings, 2 100-year anniversaries, and the beautiful carbon fiber China Airlines A350. Been wanting this one for quite some time now as well. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into this unboxing. Starting off, we got the carbon fiber here, guys. I did open this to take a look at this already to get some photos, but you do get the stand, I believe, with each of these, which is really nice. It's a very secure stand as well. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. All right, guys, take a look at the beautiful carbon fiber livery here on this A350. Honestly, there's a lot more detail here towards the back than I thought, like the blues and the pinks blending in here. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Look at the detail here. Super cool and impressive. Landing gear looks absolutely amazing. So do the wings. Basically, like, yeah, this thing, I know this thing flies to like Los Angeles and stuff. So we definitely have a lot of aircraft that fly to Los Angeles here. So I'll have to get the T-bit set up in the west gates here, guys. So stay tuned for that. You can also see in the engines here too. Super cool. All right, guys, from the top here, you can see it. I do like displaying them this way just because it looks really cool with the box here. I think this is kind of a trend I'm starting. But yeah, super cool. I'll get some photos of this like this too for the cover photo too, guys. So stay tuned. Moving on, we have the American flagship 100 years here, guys. This is definitely one we've all been waiting for, I feel like. I have opened this already. I did not take the airplane out of the box, but I did take the card to redeem. You get another stand here. So we have like, I think 2 or 3 stands now more. So I have a ton of these stands. Here it is in the box. Super cool. This might be one of the coolest unboxings I've ever done, guys. This is going to go down in history. Let's get this open. Wow, just look at that. I love that they put the red paint on the flaps too. Honestly, I don't think I'll ever get on this in real life just because I never fly American Airlines. I don't work for the airlines, so I have to pay for my tickets, so I'm always on Delta just because it works out for me where I live and with the Delta hubs. As far as like the rewards programs goes, the Sky Miles, guys. So you know how that goes, guys. All right, let's get this put away here. All right, you guys aren't ready for this. Look how good this looks. The engines and all. Absolutely amazing detail on this 777-300. I'm going to be setting my LAX up here, guys, probably pretty soon. Probably set some portions of it up at least so I can get some awesome photos of this. Wow. This is one I'm definitely speechless on, guys. Landing gear is immaculate. Look at the bottom of this thing, guys. And the stand, like you can see here, guys, it just goes right over the back of the wing. So you don't have to worry about the silly little hole under the wing with the stand and it kind of wobbling off. Like, this thing is really sturdy when it goes on the stand. So you don't even have to worry about that. Here's a nice shot of the tail section in the rear. Wow. Just awesome, guys. Engines, you know, just looks like spot on to me. Antennas on the front. Wow. Here's a nice aerial view of the first 2 here, guys. And let's get on to our third and final here. Next and last up, we have the Lufthansa 100 years 787-9. Ultimate version, of course. Only doing ultimates from now on, guys. Look at this. Like I said for the 3rd time here, I opened it already, but I did not expect a stand in this smaller kind of box. Guys, 3 stands now. We are dominating here. But yeah, let's get this open here. It is sealed in the box. Let's go ahead and lift it out very carefully. Oh wow, look at that. Nice, and you guys know the feeling when you get a new model. Wow. Just crisp and new. I only took the redemption card out of the box. I have not took this airplane out of the box yet. This is the first time. Lufthansa 100 years, everybody. Look at that. Super gorgeous airplane, guys. 100 years on the side. You also have 100 years written on the bottom here too, or 100, you know. Engines look awesome. I got something under my fingernail trying to get this box open, but beautiful aircraft, guys. Look at the back of this. Wow. Just a good looking plane all around. And wait, let me show you the other side here. I did not notice this actually. So let me show you guys. You also have the year written on the side here too. So that's super cool too, indeed. Let's see if I can get this zoom in. Sorry, guys. Great work, NG, on these airplanes. NG is definitely leading the way. Obviously, you know, Gemini Jets is superior since day one too. So we do get Gemini Jets as well because they release, you know, multiple of, you know, aircraft that you need. Obviously buying from multiple releases, but I hope you guys enjoy this. This is so cool. Yeah, like I said, I might get the Frankfurt Airport too. I've been talking about this for a long time now, probably like 3 years now, from No Plane Airport. Costs a bit of money though, because obviously you got to ship it internationally too, but that's going to be awesome. Let's get these together so you guys can see them. All right, guys, and here they are all together here. What a great look here. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing here. This is definitely a very legendary unboxing in the history of Model Airport Nation here. 3 Ultimates again, guys. I will be doing unboxing on the Double Condor 767 retro liveries here. Rest in peace. I wish these were still flying today. These are NG models as well. And I do have a couple rare planes to unbox in later videos. So stay tuned for that, guys. One last good look. China A350, carbon fiber. American Airlines 777-300, retro livery. And let's take one last good look at the bottom again. November 735 Alpha Tango. Super cool. And then the 100 years livery, guys. Super cool. Expect to see these at my model airports in the near future, guys. But appreciate your guys' support. Model Airport Nation on Instagram, TikTok, of course, right here on YouTube, guys. Model Airport Nation. Shout out to JH Wings, guys. Got these from JH Wings. Link in the bio. We'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out to NG Models as well. Happy collecting, guys.